Imagine this. Two of the most advanced fighter jets ever built, locked in a deadly dance high above the earth. These are fifth-generation fighters, like the F-35, marvels of stealth, sensor fusion, and networked warfare. They're closing in on each other, fast. But this isn't a scene from a blockbuster movie. The pilots aren't craning their necks, trying to get a visual on their opponent. Instead, they are sealed inside an information bubble, their helmet-mounted displays painting a digital picture of the battle space. Each jet is a node in a vast network, sharing data and coordinating attacks. Their strength lies in seeing the enemy first and launching a missile from beyond visual range. But in this training simulation, something has gone wrong. They've merged, entering a close-range dogfight, a scenario their design and doctrine desperately try to avoid. The F-35, for example, isn't built for the classic, tight-turning dogfights of previous generations. Its flight control system is designed for stability and stealth, not the extreme, departure-tolerant maneuvers of a dedicated air superiority fighter. But here they are, executing hang-glove attack maneuvers, twisting and turning with terrifyingly little separation between them. The closure rate is immense, faster than human reaction time. Threat symbols flash across the pilot's helmet displays, but actual visual confirmation is delayed. Their entire world is filtered through sensors. Spatial awareness compresses into a split-second reality. One pilot yanks his aircraft into a high alpha pitch, trying to force the other to overshoot. The opponent responds instantly, rolling to keep his weapons pointed at the threat. For a moment, their flight paths are destined to intersect. They've entered a minimal safety envelope, a point of no return. Even the most sophisticated fly-by-wire systems can't defy physics. The computers are screaming, trying to prevent a stall, but they can't magically create distance. The turbulent wake from one jet washes over the other's control surfaces. For a critical instant, control is degraded. Then, impact. It's not a fiery, head-on explosion. It's a low-angle collision. A wing root slices into a vertical stabilizer. The result is instantaneous and catastrophic. Advanced composite materials don't bend. They fracture, the airframes disintegrate. Thankfully, this is a simulation with safety margins built in. In a real-world scenario with sufficient altitude, automated ejection systems would fire, and the pilots would likely survive. But the aircraft, worth hundreds of millions of dollars, would be total losses. So what went wrong? Was it pilot error? Incompetence? Not at all. The pilots did exactly what they were trained to do within the parameters they were given. The problem was doctrinal. This entire situation was a misuse of the platform. Fifth-generation fighters are designed to dominate the battlespace * before * the merge. Their purpose is to ensure this kind of close-in fight never happens. This scenario is precisely why modern air combat doctrine and training rules are so strict. They enforce hard deck altitude limits, separation bubbles, and immediate termination calls to prevent pilots from ever finding themselves in this position. The only time such a risky engagement might occur is in a nightmare scenario. A total network collapse, widespread sensor jamming, or a flawed training exercise. The lesson here is fundamental. Technology, no matter how advanced, doesn't eliminate risk. It just compresses the timeline. When a pilot's perception is entirely mediated by digital systems, physical separation becomes the single most critical variable. The aircraft performed exactly as commanded. Physics simply did the rest. This simulation serves as a stark reminder that in the world of aerial combat, the laws of physics are absolute, and they always have the final say. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown of modern air combat fascinating, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.